In this video, we're going to go over determinants. Now, say if you had a matrix A, and it was equal to A, B, C, D. How would you find the determinant of that matrix? Well, for starters, it would be A times D minus B times C. This is how you would find the determinant of a 2x2 matrix, so stay tuned as we are going to do some practice problems on those and then move to 3x3 matrices. Let's work through one. We have A equals 3, 5, 2, 4, and we want to find the determinant of that matrix. Process is fairly simple. We would do 3 times 4 minus 5 times 2. 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 2, 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. So this will be the determinant of the following matrix. Here's another 2x2 matrix to work with. Feel free to pause the video and attempt this yourself. So, according to the 2x2 determinant matrix formula, it would be 7 times 2 minus negative 3 times 1. 7 times 2, 14. Negative 3 times 1, negative 3, but we have a minus, so it becomes positive. 14 plus 3, 17. And 17 is the determinant of the following matrix A. If you were able to do this, good job. If not, that's okay. We got some more. We have another 2x2 matrix here. Let's calculate the determinant of it. So, 0 times 8 minus 6 times negative 1. 0 times 8, 0. 6 times negative 1, negative 6. But we have another minus, so it becomes positive. 0 plus 6, 6. And we have found the determinant of a 2x2 matrix once again. We're going to work with some 3x3 matrices now. If we have the following matrix A, I have already written out the determinant of it, so feel free to pause the video so you can read this for a little bit, and we are going to hop into some more practice problems, but involving 3x3s. Let's start with this one. So we want to find the determinant of the 3x3 matrix A. So first off, we write out 2, and then for the inside of our parentheses, we want to focus on the numbers that aren't crossed. So 3, 0, 2, and 5. Doing so, it will be 3 times 5 minus 0 times 2. Okay, now the next number we focus on, 0. We cross it out, focus on the numbers that aren't crossed out, so 1, 0, 4, and 5. It would be 1 times 5 minus 0 times 4. Okay, 1 is our next number. Cross these out like so. 1, 3, 4, and 2. It would be 1 times 2 minus 3 times 4. We could do some basic math now. 3 times 15, 15, 0 times 2, 0. 15 minus 0, 15. So I'll just write it out like this. Since this is multiplied by 0, we can just not worry about that. And then we have 2 times 1, 2. 3 times 4, 12. 2 minus 12, negative 10. So write it out like so. And then 2 times 15, 30. 1 times negative 10, negative 10. And finally, 30 minus 10 is 20. So this is the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix A. Here is another 3 by 3 matrix. Feel free to pause the video and attempt this yourself. First off, we focus on the number 1 here. We cross out our terms. 5, 6, 8, 9. So it would be 5 times 9 minus 6 times 8. Very good. Now we focus on 2. It's minus 2 here. Cross out. 4, 6, 7, 9. So it would simply be 4 times 9 minus 6 times 7. Last number we focus on here is 3. We cross out to see which terms we work with. 4, 5, 7, 8. So it would be 4 times 8 minus 5 times 7. Now we can perform some calculations. I already plugged these into a calculator. So this first part evaluates to negative 3. This part evaluates to 12, positive 12. And then finally, this part evaluates to negative 9. Negative 3 plus 12 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So this will be the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. So if you were able to solve this, great job. If not, that's okay. We got one more. Let's work through this last matrix. So we want to find the determinant of it. As always, we focus on 2 first. Cross out the terms. We know we'll be working with 1, 5, 2, and 3. So 1 times 3 minus 5 times 2 minus 4. Cross out your terms. We know we're going to be working with 3, 5, 0, and 3. So 3 times 3 minus 5 times 0. Now we focus on 1. Okay, I could have drawn that a bit better. How about this? 3, 1, 0, and 2. So it would be 3 times 2 minus 1 times 0. Let's perform our calculations. Like previously, I plugged these into a calculator beforehand, so yeah. Evaluating this first term, it goes to negative 14. Second term is negative 36. Well, yeah, it's negative 36. Meant to remove that earlier. Negative 36. And this term evaluates to 6, positive 6. Negative 14 minus 36 is negative 50. Negative 50 plus 6 is negative 44. And this is the determinant of the following matrix A. That's going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed or learned something from it, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and feel free to leave any type of feedback in the comments. That's going to be all from me for now, and I will see you in the next one.